Anniversary of Japan's defeat in the Second World War by expressing his regrets for the sacrifices of millions of innocent people. Shinzo Abe acknowledged the immeasurable damage and suffering caused, but avoided saying his country battled a war of aggression. Greece has sent a island of Kos to process some of the thousands of migrants who arrived there. Last month, arrived on the island, and the majority are waiting for documents to allow them to travel elsewhere in Europe. From Kos, our correspondent Chris Buckler sent this report.
From the seas all around Kos, the Coast Guard ships come in overloaded with people. Families fleeing countries and seeking refuge.